Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create amazing forms in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a professional, customized form that you can use for registration, signups, data collection, or anything else you've got in mind. If you've ever felt stuck staring at a blank screen, not sure where to begin, don't worry. I'll guide you every step of the way so you can confidently set up a form that works for your needs. Let's dive right in together. Starting from your Smartsheet homepage, look for a plus button. It might seem simple, but this is your gateway to starting just about any new project. Go ahead and click that plus sign and you'll see a handful of different options pop up. We're going to select Create a New Project. Even though we're focusing on forms, starting with a new project just gives us a clean slate, which is always a good thing. Once you're in your new workspace, direct your attention to the bottom of the menu. There you'll spot Form. Go ahead and select that. This is where the real magic starts. When you open up the form editor, you'll see a bunch of default settings, but don't let that intimidate you. This is your chance to take control and really personalize the form so it fits exactly what you need. The first thing you might want to do is give your form a new name, and you can do that right at the top. For example, if you're putting together a sign up for an event, you might call it Registration Form. Naming your form clearly is more important than it seems. It sets the stage for whoever's filling it out and makes organizing your forms in Smartsheet a breeze later on. Next up, let's start customizing the fields. Click on the default form field and change its name. In this case, let's start with the most basic info, name. Labels really matter, they're the signposts for your users. When someone sees a clearly labeled field for name, they know exactly what to enter. After you set up the name field, let's move on to last name. To do that, click the plus button, which lets you add a new field. This is just like adding doors in a hallway. Every field is a new opportunity for your respondents to share information. So add your last name field, again making sure it's clear and easy to spot. Now we can make the form even more useful by adding a field for email. Again, use that plus button to add a new text field. Label it email to keep things clear and straightforward. This is such a crucial field for many forms, and by specifying it, you're making sure you get the information you need to follow up or keep in touch later. At this stage, don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. Think about what information will help you most. Maybe you want to add a drop-down for event attendance, a checkbox for subscribe to newsletter, or a text box for comments. Smartsheet is really flexible, so try out different field types and layouts. This part can take a little trial and error, and that's completely normal. Remember, you can always edit later, so don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations until you have a form you're truly proud of. Once you've got your form just the way you want it, don't forget to hit save. It's always a great feeling seeing your hard work come together and saving locks and all those thoughtful details you added, and that's it. You've just created a fully customized form in Smartsheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need more tips for making your forms even better, drop a comment down below. I always love hearing what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.